Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Azwan Shah bin Muhammad Yussof with matrix number 2220179. So today we're gonna make a video proposal about robotic folding clothes machine. For the introduction, today we are excited to present our innovative project titled Robotic Folding Clothes Machine. This project is designed to revolutionize the way we handle laundry by automating the tedious task of folding clothes. So, moving on to overview, our concept summary is the robotic folding clothes machine is a smart home appliance that aims to simplify the laundry process. It is a compact and user-friendly device that automatically folds clothes with a minimal human intervention. So for the context, in today's fast-paced world, time is a valuable asset. The demand for smart home appliances that can save time and effort is on the rise, and our machine addresses these needs perfectly. Moving on to problem statement. Folding clothes is a time-consuming and a monotonous task that many people find tedious. In busy households or for individuals with mobility issues, this task can become overwhelming. So to highlight the impact, the manual folding not only takes up valuable time but also requires effort and consistency to ensure clothes are properly folded, which can be challenging for many.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adam. My matrix number is 2220171. So now I want to talk about the advantages of our robotic folding clothes machine. One of the advantages of our robotic folding clothes machine is that it significantly reduces the time spent on laundry. Instead of spending hours folding clothes, users can let the machine handle it. The next advantages is user-friendly. Our design focuses on ease of use, making it accessible for everyone, including elderly individuals and those with disabilities. The third one is consistency and efficiency. The machine ensures that clothes are folded neatly and consistently every time, reducing the need for refolding and saving storage space. Next, we move to the primary goal of our robotic folding machine. Our main objective is to develop a functional prototype of a robotic folding machine that can efficiently fold a variety of clothing items. The next goal is we also aim to make the machine affordable and easy to operate, ensuring it can be integrated into any household seamlessly. Next, I will give a brief description about our product. Our proposed solution is a robotic machine that can detect, pick up, and fold clothes. The machine will be equipped with sensor and folding components to handle different types of clothes efficiently. We will use AI and robotic technology to automate the folding process, ensuring precision and reducing human intervention.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aizat bin Azizan. My matric number is 2220192. For product design, it has two main components. The robotic folding clothes machine consists of two primary components, a box-like machine and folding components. For box-like machine, the box-like structure houses as control system, sensor and folding mechanism. It is designed to be compact and aesthetically pleasing, making it suitable for home use. And for folding component, the folding mechanism includes robotic arm and panel that can adapt to different clothing sizes and materials. The components are designed to work efficiently with minimal noise. For the next part is material. Construction material. We will use lightweight and durable materials such as aluminium and high-grade plastic for machine and exterior. The folding component will be made from a combination of soft touch material and metal for precise movement. Sustainability consideration. Sustainability is a key focus, and we plan to use recyclable material where possible to reduce environmental impact. Next is industry overview. Current market trend. The smart home appliance market is growing rapidly with an increasing demand for automation in everyday tasks. According to industry report, the global market for robotic home devices is expected to grow significantly over the next few years. Competitive landscape. While there are a few folding machines in the market, our design focus on affordability and ease of use, setting it apart from existing product. Next is target audience. Our target market include busy professional, elderly individual, and anyone looking for convenience in household chores. Revenue potential. Given the rising internet next is target audience. Our target market include busy professional, elderly individual, and anyone looking for convenience in household chores. Revenue potential. Given the rising interest in smart appliance, we anticipate strong market demand for our product, with the potential to tap into both the domestic and international market. And the last one is conclusion. In summary, the robotic folding clothes machine offers a practical solution to a common household problem. With its innovative design and market potential, it has the capability to make a significant impact in the smart home industry. We are excited to move forward with the development of this project and look forward to bringing this innovative solution to households everywhere. Thank you for your attention.